Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today I'm introducing to you a very effective shop management app for businesses, for shop owners, for general transaction. The app is offline based, you don't need to have internet to use it. It can be on your desktop or laptop and it can also be on your mobile phone. Let me show you how it works. Here is the icon of the app. It has the following main buttons: the supply button, the sales button, inventory button, analytics, expenses, and sync. Let's start with supply button. In supply button, you bring in your goods into your shop and you record them into the app. For example, if it's a new product, I'm supplying, let's say I'm supplying caps and I want to put a category, if it's general or wares or whatever you want to define it. If I know the name of the supplier, fine. But if it's not compulsory, does it come in pack? Yeah, let's say it comes some goods come in packs. Like for example, now your drinks, like Coca-Cola, they come in pack, 12 bottles in a pack. So does your cap also come in pack? If it is just one piece, everything, then you just say one piece per pack. That is in a pack, there's just one piece. But if it comes in pack like drinks, then you can just say 12 or whatever. If it's five, it is six in a pack. So how many packs is being supplied today? Let's say three packs. And how many pieces? Something you may buy some pack, then some pieces alongside. If there are pieces too, you add them. How much are you buying a pack? Let's assume I'm buying each one is for 1,000. So I buy one pack in 10,000. I'm buying one pack in 1,000. So how much am I selling it? I'm selling it 12,000. That means I'm selling each one in each one 1,000. But it depends. If you are selling your own at 1,000 and there are two pieces, that means you write 12,000 there. That is, you sum all the amount in pieces to make your pack. So if you are selling, because in your shops maybe you are not selling pack. If you are selling your pack 13,000, I mean 11,000 now, then that means you have to put 11,000 there, because the system will calculate for you how much is a piece based on what you are selling a pack. So it will divide by the total number of pieces in a pack. So if it is 12,000, it will automatically determine that you are selling each piece 1,000. So you save. So that's for a new product that has not been in your shop before or you have not recorded before. Now, if I'm entering for an existing product, let's say I'm buying bread. I've been buying Yali bread before. I bought 5 packs in last time. So now I'm buying four more packs. And today I'm buying four more packs. It shows me how much was the previous cost per pack. Has it changed? Yeah, has it changed? And again, it shows that I have 10 pieces in a pack. 10 pieces in a pack. So has it changed? You have to try that. So if it's not changed, you leave it. If the cost per pack has not changed, you leave it. It has calculated how much per piece. How much are you now selling in the whole pack? 16,000, which translates to 4,000 a piece. I mean 400 per piece. So then so you are getting 4 packs. So that's total amount now. So how much are you paying for all of this now? You are paying 51,200. So you can pay your supplier based on the calculation shown here. So you can save this. So it has saved as a new supply. If it is multiple supply, that is, today you are having supply of bread, you are having supply of carbs, you are having supply of many things. You can add more rules. You are having supply of let's say American cola as well. So it shows you the previous setting of pieces per pack here. How many packs is being supplied? Let's say two, let's say 4 here, let's say 5 here, let's say 7 here. Then how many pieces, if they are, you indicate them. The cost per pack, this is the previous one. How much are you now selling? Like this one doesn't have previous loading. So let's assume cost per pack is 3.5. and cost per piece. It will automatically calculate it. You don't need to put it. And how much are you selling cost per piece? I'm selling it for 8, and that will be automatically calculated too. So then the total shows that this is how much total I'm being supplied today, 1,300 to pay your supplier. So you that's for sales. You want to know what has been coming to your shop in history, you can click here and see all that has been supplied to your shop. Then the sale, let's go to sale. This is the most important area. Now, somebody came to buy uh, something. The name is Anamo, and the phone number is good. So. What is he buying? He's buying bottled water. Or sorry, he's buying bottled water seaway. It shows you that the selling per power based on what you previously loaded was 24, and unit is just 200. Then how many packs is he buying today? Uh, then again, it shows you something here. The stock, can you see it here? See stock remaining in the shop. Only one piece. Only what that means you cannot sell more than one piece. So if you say two, it will not allow you because let's say you want to buy one, and so how much is it? 200 naira, and the amount paid is now 200 naira. So you can see the outstanding is 0, showing that he has paid. If he pays 100, it will show you outstanding is on minus 100. That is the person holds. So in some of our shops that allow customer to hold us, that's fine. But if you don't allow customer, so that means he has to pay everything, and the amount will say 0, 0. I mean the outstanding will be 0, 0. If you record this, it will be recorded like that. So let's say another person come and they say Ajani, and the phone number is 3333, and you want to buy the same bottled water, it will tell you bottled water out of stock. It's no more in stock. So it will not allow you to sell what you don't have in your shop. Let's assume the person is coming. I mean, some people used to come and buy many things, not just one item. Uh, and the person comes to buy, uh, uh, let's say, is buying Fanta. It has shown you sell per pack, sell per piece. Is buying bread, sell per pack. So how much pieces is he buying Fanta for? How much pieces is he buying of bread? 5. So he's telling you how much you have in store, which is 1 packet of Fanta and 7 pieces, 15 packet of bread and 7 pieces. So with that, and it will calculate the total amount due to the person, which is 4,000. So how much is he paying? Do you have any discount? If you are giving discount, how much is he paying? He's paying the whole 4,000. So that means you can see settled here. You can see settled. So you can now just save it. So the transaction will be saved. So you want to know the transaction history of the sales. These are it. So if you make any error somewhere, you can actually edit it here. You can edit it with any password. So another important aspect is the inventory. This shows all the things in your shop that are remaining in your shop. If you see it as red, that means it has finished. You can see pieces, loose pieces is 0. Total pieces is 0. Once you see that it has, once you see red, that means it has finished in your shop. If you see it brown, that means it is finishing. It has depleted more than half of the original supply. So those are the one in brown. So those are the one in brown. So the one in black, in normal black, shows that they are still available. So then the analytics shows how much profit you have been making. So let's say today I want to see how much profit I've been making. Today I've sold, if I click today, it means I've sold 107,800 goods, and the gross profit I made is 28,000. So that is interesting. So if I want to know how much I've been making this week, this month, you can see it shows I've sold 167,000 this month, and the profit I've made is this. So what time and so on. If I want to know it within a certain period, then I can also know it. So another thing is the customer balances. If you click on customer balances here, it can show us what each person has owed, or what they are owing, or what they are bought, or whether they sell to us or they owe us. Customer analysis, we can see what customer have been buying, and then product analysis. Here is a very interesting thing. Let's assume we pick bread, and it shows us what we have been selling over time, and it can plot for us what we have been making as profit or losses. So you can see in here We have been making this is how our revenue we have been generating from bread, and it shows that after some time we made a little profit and we are losing at the time, and so on and so forth. So let's pick another product. Uh, let's pick. Uh-huh. Let's see this one. You can see this one very good. We have this is how our this thing has been changing over time, and from 2026 to today, I mean till 0807. So then this is how our profit has also been rising. You can see the profit rising. So it will show us how each good has been performing. Another aspect is the expenses. The expenses to show that in our shop we are paying electricity. Whatever we pay, we enter here. We pay water, we enter here. If we pay rent, we enter here. Anytime we pay transport, wages, and so that this one will be deducted from our profit, so that we will know actually how much we are making as much. This is just for system uh, analysis. So that is that. I believe we have benefited from this introduction of this app. If you need uh, to contact us or you need this app, kindly contact the phone number showing on your screen. Thank you for listening.